Captain, we have landed. It's time for an upgrade, guys. I'm looking at getting rid of this cage. It's done its job, but I want something lighter, easier, more compact, and most important of all, something with better ergonomics. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Boom, there you go, guys. Light, compact, easy to use. The ergonomics is great. It doesn't feel like a bulky unit that's like a square box that's framed around my camera. This roll cage, the way I would put it, perfectly protects my camera, and it's got all the Arca Swiss mounts and brackets on it. Exactly what I need to add a little top handle if I need. Enters the Xenomorph. So we've talked about these a couple of times, and this is not the first box that I've opened. These come in two handy options in terms of your Xenomorph with the dual screws, or even the quick fix system, which is the other one, that simply slides into the hot shoe and you clamp it on with one screw, done. Works straight to your camera or onto these brackets. I prefer this system for a couple of reasons, and I'll show you why. But what does all of this help if you haven't got a mounting bracket or a magic arm? Enters this little guy. What a lacquer system. Strong, sturdy, but the best part of it all is the little details in it. Let me show you. So one of the big things about this is that we've got these in two different options, but I like this one because of the extra reach that this offers me. This now screws into the back or into the front, or you've got a variety of options along the top. You've even got options on the side. So if you want to put your monitor more mounted towards the off side of the camera, or, man, it all just depends on how you want to build up your rig. But these little extra support knobbly thingies that you've got next to the threads makes this so much cooler. Because you now have these two little supportive knobs. That, when you're using something like a Shinobi 2, incredible little powerful monitor, love it, light and easy to use. And now, because of its little holes in the bottom there, and boom, I can connect that in there. And an issue that I previously had is as soon as you touch your monitor, it starts running off in different directions and unscrews itself off of this set. The last thing you want to battle with is things just hanging around or turning in directions you don't want. But with this system, I now have that monitor exactly where I want and need it. I can mount it on either side depending on if I'm shooting vertical or if I'm shooting horizontal. It's as easy as just loosening this main grip and just repositioning it to exactly where you want it. So boom, you want to put a mic onto this? No problem. Love cages. And all of a sudden, I can build up this rig to exactly what I want. Do you need to put on an extra power source? This can run off of USB-C in a power delivery cable through to this for your power support. If you want to run the entire camera off of it, or depending on your exact setup. But this just opens it up so much more. If I want to shoot any vertical video, I can simply take this grip off and I can mount it onto the side of the camera and still use it as a top handle whilst it's shooting in vertical. Don't get me started about 9x16. 16 by 9, people, come on, let's get back to how things should be. But loving this Tilta kit. It's made me go full tilt for it. It's light, easy to use, great quality product, great easy ergonomics, push feel on the buttons at the top. So if you want to put a mic or any receivers or anything else in the top here, it's just as easy as sliding it in, and the safety is there already. It won't come out. You can then just tighten it, and there you go, up and running. Loving, loving, loving this system. And you got to get out to Outdoor Photo and get into contact with the go-to guys and check it out. Lekker. Cheers, I'm out.